After launching the Epic Game Store, you're going to have a tab called RealityScan. Click on that and install the program. After you're done installing it, let's launch it. Now what you want to do is grab a set of images that you have. Just grab the entire folder and drop it into this window. So let me bring up the set of files that I have. So these are the images of the truck that I have. There's 251 images here. So we're gonna drop that into the program and we're gonna have it scanned. Now, if you wanna follow along, I'm gonna drop a link at the bottom of the description where you can download these image files. So let's grab the folder and drop it into the program. Now it looks like we have 251 images loaded into the program. We're gonna go to alignment and start aligning the images. And what this is gonna do is compare the images to each other to find all the same feature points and start generating that point cloud. It looks like the point cloud is now generated. And you can see all the camera positions here that was used to take pictures of the truck. To get thorough coverage, we'll probably use a drone to fly around the truck and fly above the truck so we can also get the inside of the bed. We don't have this in this case, but that's okay. Now that everything's scanned in and we have our point cloud, we're going to export this file out. Click the icon, export. We're going to use a coal map. Now I've used this recently, but if you need to find the coal map format, you have to scroll down and look for coal map. I'm going to put it in the directory where my truck is. And here I'm going to create a directory specifically for this coal map called coal map. It's asking for a file name, but it doesn't really matter. I'm going to type in truck for now. Hit save, export settings here. You can pretty much leave this at default. Click OK. Now it's gonna generate another set of PNG files, but it's gonna convert it to 32-bit. This is fine. Let's click close. Okay, and it's finished. Let's also save this project here. And now let's go to Lichtfeld Studio.